Today in this video, I'm going to show you like how you can add Fiverr advertisement on your own blog or in your website. So it's very simple to do. I'm showing you how you can do it yourself. So as you can see, if you see, this is the post. If I show you that carefully, then as you can see, this is the post, and this post top, as you can see, you see a Fiverr recommended service. So if someone click on that, then it just redirect to Fiverr page with your affiliate ID, and if someone buy this product, then you will get a commission. This is very simple thing, and you know, it's kind of passive income. That's why I'm showing you that. Okay, to implement that thing or to get this thing, first of all you have to create an account in Fiverr affiliate. So it's very simple. Let me show you. Just search on Google Fiverr affiliate, just search it, this keyword, then you will get their website, and you have to create an account on their website. Just click on sign up button, then you will get in a form here, and you have to fill up that all. And when you successfully create an account, then you will get this type of dashboard here, something like me. To create this widget, you have to go this marketing tool option, and here as you can see, the option is available, gig add widget. You have to click on there. So if you want to choose any kind of other marketing tools, then you can one by one check this out. And I'm not sure like how much they will pay us, but if you search in Google Fiverr affiliate commission, then I hope Google will tell us how much they just give us. Okay, so I just search in there, and as you can see here, the plan option. So you have to read this article, then you will get the clear idea about that, how much they just pay us for doing this affiliate. Okay, so I'm not going to explain that all. So I just click on here this add widget, and now we can select the category. Like for example, in my website, it's a local data, it's just related with like web development service. So I can promote like web related product. So I can choose here programming tech. Then which type of you want to create. For example, in my cases, I want to WordPress. And now if I let me apply it. Now type here the keyword, this type of this widget you want to create. So let me search here WordPress. So search here, and then you will see we get WordPress related gigs in here the widget. So you can easily choose that thing. So if you're not in any kind of select this category, then you can do just focus on the the keyword. Okay, so and here the advanced settings here available, like hybrid and CPA. It's a cost per action. So when someone action, then we'll get the commission. And here's some title, recommended service, explore more service, all the things. Like if you want, you can change it. Alright, so to get this the embed code, you have to click on here this embed code button. Then you will get the code. You have to just copy it, and here showing the preview as well. So now I successfully copied. Now go back our website admin panel and log in here, and go to here, hover on the plugin, and just click on add new button, and just search here add insert this plugin, and install this plugin. I'm just talking about this plugin, Igor Funa, I think this is the author. Just install this plugin. So when you successfully install this plugin, go to here the setting, and just go to here this add inserter button, just click on there. Then you will redirect on this page, and here as you can see, we already inserted an iframe that we recently copied from Fiverr. Just paste it down here, and where do you want to show this this iframe? I want to show in the post and search page and category tag everywhere before the content, like before the post I want to show. So if you want to change, like if you want to show in a photo or any other places, or if you want to disable it, then you can do it yourself. Here's the option. And also they are providing a widget. If you see, or if you go to here the widget, I hope then you will get then you'll see their widget. Okay, so when you add and change is successfully done, then click on here this save setting button, here the save setting, and then it will be applied. Okay, and if you go to this widget, then you'll see they already providing us this add widget option. So if you want to add it into your sidebar or any all else, then you can do it easily. Also, if you want to add this sidebar search box, the sidebar search box that's coming from Fiverr affiliates, then you can do it from here. As you can see, if you click on this search box button, then you will get something like, and if you want to embed this code as well, then you can do it from here. Just click on add embed code, and then you will get this box. Okay, I hope guys now it makes sense, and now you can do it yourself, and it's a very simple thing. and I hope and I believe that everyone can do this. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thank you.